Next on Tim 100 Linux, you'll learn how to install Ubuntu and update it using the console. The first step to downloading Ubuntu is obtaining the ISO file. So first, we're going to head to ubuntu.com, click on the download button. Here you'll find Ubuntu Desktop and the current version listed. Right now, it's 16.04.1, and it's a long-term support edition. We're going to click that download button. You can choose to donate, but at this time I'm not. And now it should be downloading. Now once you download that ISO, you're going to either put it on a CD, or in our case for our virtual machine, we're just going to select it. Now we're going to boot into Ubuntu. The process is automatic and should take only a few minutes, or if you're on good hardware, a few seconds. Now here you're going to go ahead and click Install Ubuntu. We're going to click on Continue. Now since we'll be updating Ubuntu from the command line afterwards, we don't need to click this. However, I would recommend clicking on this to get additional drivers and be able to play MP3s natively. Now, if all you have is a single disk and you're ready to install, all you have to do is click Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. If you're using a laptop, you may want to encrypt for security purposes. Now, click Install Now. Disk encryption will require that you choose a security key. Enter that security key here. However, for this demonstration, we won't encrypt. It will prompt you with the disk that will be changed and what changes will occur. Now select your time zone from the chart. Here you will select your keyboard layout. For most people, and if you live in the United States, it will be English and English US. If you live elsewhere, you'll have to select these options based on where you live. In this area, you'll set up the username you'll use to log into this computer. First, where it says your name, type in your full name. Where it says your computer's name, just name it to something that's easy to remember. You can then choose a username however you want. You should also pick a strong password, as this will be the root account by default. And now you're installing Ubuntu. I would recommend to click here in case any errors pop up. However, that is unlikely. Once you're at this point, all you have to do is hit Restart Now. At this point, you're going to want to remove the CD from your drive so it doesn't boot to it again. Now that your computer is rebooted, we're going to look at how to update the machine using the command line. To pull up the command line, press Ctrl Alt and T. The first command that we're going to run is sudo. Sudo, or superuserdo, allows you to run a command as an administrator without changing an account. Next, we're going to type in apt-get update. This command updates the repository list. Now that we've updated the repository, we're going to go ahead and update the system. To do this, we're going to put in sudo apt-get space dist-upgrade. It will then prompt you whether or not you would like to continue. Push Y to continue. And there you have it. That's how you update Ubuntu from the console. I would recommend to restart the computer to make sure everything takes effect. Thanks for watching Tim100 Linux. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below.
Just sounds like trying love by the test. No, 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 no. Just no, no.